Okay, morning everybody. Thanks all for coming. So it's a pleasure to welcome you to the Pennon full year results for 2016-17. This has been a good year. 2016-17 has been a good year for Pennon, and we're delivering right across the board strong results. So we're delivering strong results and strong performance for our customers, strong in terms of operational performance, and of course, as you've seen, strong financial results as well. So just to pick out some of the highlights from my perspective, so starting in the strong operational and financial performance. As you know, we've had this target of delivering 100 million EBITDA in this financial year for quite some time now, and I'm very pleased to observe that we've managed to comfortably achieve that target. As you can see, 107 million EBITDA for the operating fleet of the ERFs. So they're performing well, they're operating well, and I'll talk a little bit more about that as well. Also pleasing, and particularly pleasing for us, is the recycling business. We said a little while ago that we weren't waiting for recyclate prices to bail us out. We were going to focus on self-help measures, a whole range of programs, and even though recyclate prices have come back a bit, we've seen a real strong performance from both margin improvement and profitability for our recycling business. So that's another highlight as far as I'm concerned. Underpinning that and supporting all of that is, of course, our water business. It continues to be the sector-leading water business in terms of outperformance. The RORE measure, return on regulated equity, whatever measure you use, it's improving year on year, 12.6 versus 11.7 last year. So continuing to deliver outperformance and deliver for our customers. So strong results. All of that's underpinned by our continuing focus on efficiency, on cost control. And we'll talk about it in a little bit more detail, but the water business, we've delivered already in the 5-year period cumulative outperformance of 129 million. So that's 129 million of TOTEX outperformance in the 2 years, obviously with more to come. The Bournemouth integration has gone well, the integration has happened, and we're delivering the synergies and the financial benefits that we hoped out of the Bournemouth integration. So overall, good results, strong performance, a good year for Pennon, and we'll go through the financial results in a bit more detail.
So just looking at the group financial highlights in a little bit more detail, starting first with underlying performance. I'm very much focusing on that adjusted EBITDA that's gone up 7.4%. It says we are very much in line with expectations. Now that is true, but our expectations were for growth, and that growth is coming through on the Viridor side through the energy recovery facility expansion, and through the focus on the recycling self-help measures that we've got in place. On the water side, we are delivering and outperforming against the regulatory business plan and certainly delivering against the efficiency targets that we had in place. That performance is obviously flowing through into the PBT line, and that is also being supported by efficient, effective financing that's in place across the group. And profit before tax has increased by 18.3% on an underlying basis.